Yuval Noah Harari, this week he has a new book out. It is titled Nexus, A Brief History of Information Networks from the Stone Age to AI, and I've been reading him all the way back to Sapiens. You've sold now 65 million books. It's a remarkable situation. But this book really takes a look at information and AI, and I want to talk about AI in terms of elections and so many other things, but really why don't we start with its impact on the financial market, since that's the world we live in.
Yeah.
How do you think it's going to change things? And most of this book argues that actually that AI is very dangerous. Is there a possibility that, at least in the financial world, it's helpful?
It's not a question of helpful or dangerous. It's the magnitude of the change. I mean, basically, if today, how many people understand the financial system? Less than 1% of humanity, I think, would be a fair guess. So in 10 years, it could be exactly zero. I mean,
because we're not going to understand what's actually happening behind the scenes.
Yes, because AI will take over more and more of the managerial jobs in finance and will start inventing new financial devices which are orders of magnitude more complicated than anything we know today. And it's just beyond the human capacity. I mean, finance is the ideal playing ground for AI because it's a purely informational and mathematical realm. To put a self-driving car on the road is very difficult, as we've learned in the last 10 years,
right,
because you need to interact with physical reality and social reality. But in the financial system, it's just numbers. You just tell the AI, make as many dollars as you can, and it can invent new strategies and new financial devices that people have difficulty understanding and therefore regulating.
What do you think of most of the algorithms that are working today in the markets? Mm-hmm. Because most of it is trying to predict, or at least play off of, the sentiment, right? The way everybody's thinking.
Yeah.
But you're saying that the thinking part of it is going to diminish.
On the one hand, to diminish. On the other hand, the ability of AIs to manipulate humans will increase, to manipulate our attention. And this is the key thing to understand about AI. It's not a tool in our hands. It's an agent. It's an independent agent making decisions, inventing new things. And therefore, it has a potential to change every area. Finance, the military, religion, in ways that we never saw before in history. We never created an agent. Everything we created before was just a tool.
This is a business show, but you think it's going to change religion?
Yes.
How so?
Think about a holy text that can talk back to you. I mean, humans have been dreaming about texts created by a superhuman intelligence throughout history. But all the texts that they created so far, like the Bible or the Quran or whatever, they couldn't talk back. You always needed humans to interpret them. Now you can have a text created by a superhuman intelligence that can talk back to you, right, and that can interpret itself if you don't understand something in the text.